Hello out there, YouTube modeling community. Todd H here. Basically, this is just an update. I went to my first model car show up in Portland this weekend. Just wanted to show you a couple of kits that I picked up. Probably the best buy for me at this show was the 50 Chevy Street Machine kit. It's still factory sealed, and it was only $10. As most of you know from my earlier videos, I've got a real 68 Camaro, and I've been frustrated trying to find 68 Camaro models, only to find out that nobody's really making any currently. So at the model show, I found that one. Now, it's not sealed, however all the parts and everything inside are all bagged and have not been opened. So, and actually, I also picked up this one. I think the price was decent on these. I think they were asking $25 for the bottom one and $35 for the Street Machines. And I got them both for $50. I think what I'll do is I'll just take the best parts of both and try to basically just recreate my car. I have no idea what these kits are going to be like to work with. They're old. This one here came out, I believe, in 1981, and this one came out in 1982, which happens to be the year I graduated high school. So that's those two. And then the last kit I got was a 69 Dodge Daytona. And I got that one for $10. Again, I haven't really looked closely at it. I'm not sure what kind of quality it's going to be, but it's a cool car. Always dug the Dodges that had the wing on them. And so that was what I got at the model show. And then Friday, before I left, my model house order came. So I got the white wall tires. I picked up some chrome steely wheels, and then I got some plain. I got the 170Cs and the 180Cs, and I'm thinking that it's gonna go on my rusty build. Anyway, sorry guys, it's hard to hold my phone and do this, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. I've been procrastinating a little bit on this build. I'm trying to get it lowered, and I'm just wanting to make sure I do it right. Making sure that I don't get it set too far back, and then my drive shaft ends up being too short. But anyway, I'm gonna get back on to working on that this week and start making some progress on this build. I'm kind of excited to maybe start messing around with the 68 Camaros, but I also have the 32 Ford that I'm going to build for my dad, as he was born in 32. So I want to get going on that one. But anyway, again guys, just want to keep this short. That's kind of what was going on this weekend. I did check out a lot of the 48-hour build videos, and everything's looking awesome. SRoth88, loving his taking on a scratch build on a 48-hour build. I couldn't even get a regular kit together in 48 hours, so hats off to you, buddy. I couldn't do that. Styrene Junkie 73 making huge progress on, looks like he's doing something with Dr. Cranky. I think that's cool. Definitely looking forward to updates on that build as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to my subscribers. I think I'm at like 99 now. Thank you all for subscribing and watching, and everybody have a good rest of what's left of your weekend and a good work week coming up, and talk to you later.